और वो इन चीज़ों को देखते तो वो बहुत खुश होते हैं।
Mother is not just a word, she is a feeling, a prayer, or silent strength.
A very sad story about a person.
There is someone who wakes up before alarm, who sleep after everyone else. She may not wear a crown, but she is a queen. She is a real queen of every home, and she is the queen of our life. She is the queen of every son and every daughter.
So finally today we are here for the speech competition, and the title for the speech competition is माँ के बराबर कोई नहीं. That means whatever we are going to speak, we are going to speak about the mother. Done? So the line, the speech and the quotation that you are going to speak, it will be related to your own mother, or it can be related to any mother, because mother is mother. So for the first chance, we are going to call Mr. Naman on the stage. Please put your hands together for Naman.
Good morning, respected sir, junior, senior, all my dear friends. Today I am standing before you to speak about my very precious gift, my mother. Mother is not just a word, she is a feeling, a prayer, or silent strength. She is one who wakes up early before everyone else and one who sleeps after everyone. Mother is who forget her own dreams just the children can achieve there. Mother's love is mother's love is unconditional. She smiles when she is tired. She feel strong when she is weak, and sometimes she sacrifices her comfort, her happiness, or even her health. Just see smile on my face. My mother's love has no limits, no price, and no end. My, today, whatever I am, whatever I will become, is just because of her prayer. If success ever comes to me, it blows to my mother's feet first. When I cry, she wipe my tears before they fall. When I fall, she lift me with her gentle hands. When the whole world doubt on me, she stand with me and support me, but without asking a single question. She when mothers do you know mother when the child born, the mother also born again. The mother is not just a parent, she is a friend to us. At the last, I would say that my mother is my hero, my world, and my greatest blessing. Thank you.
You see, as we know that there are so many relations in this world. Like we have a relation of friend and the family, the relatives and all. But you must have found that in all the relation and all the relatives, they have a kind of expectation. For example, if today my friend is going to make me have a tea, tomorrow he will be expecting that tea from my side. Done. For example, if any of my relatives, if they are doing anything for me, they will be expecting that I will also be doing something for them. But there is only mother who doesn't have any kind of expectation. She has only one expectation, that you will be doing something great in your life, so that she will be feeling proud of on you. Done. So whenever you feel that there is someone who is taking care too much of you apart from your mother, just one thought you have to think, that they must have some kind of any expectation from you. Done. So for the next, we are going to call Master Ayush on the stage. Please put your hands together for Master Ayush.
Okay. With this foot and this foot.
He will be using his own speech.
Okay. So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As you all know, this is Ayush present here in front of you all on this podium. And do you know, today I am going to tell you a very sad story about a person who just lifts you, who just shape you, who just raise you, who do each and everything for you. But do you know, there are some child in this world who doesn't even give respect when they get older or when they grow up. Do you know about whom I am talking? Do you have any guess? Yeah, I am talking about our one and only golden thing that we are having in this world. We are having our mother. Even though whenever we will talk about each and every relationship one of the relationship you will feel that this is the relationship. What is the meaning of this relation? This relation is totally based on the mother. Do you know what a mother can do for a child? Mother sacrifices her each and everything for the child. But do you know for what? Just for a one thing, there is a kind of hope in mother's mind, that is, my child or my daughter is going to do something big in the life, and I will be proud of myself also. Yeah. When you will talk about each and every relation, you will find only one relation, that is of mother and son, or mother or daughter. That will be very true and that will be very hopeful. You know, when mother gives birth to his baby, do you know how much pain a mother has to suffer from? A mother suffers from just 16,000 pascals of the pressure, that is equal to the 15 kg of the weight. And do you know what can happen if you will put these kinds of weight on someone's stomach? A person will die. But do you know why our mother doesn't die? Because our mother is having a kind of hope in her mind that if I will die, so who will take care of my children? Who will take care? Who will raise them? Who will just give them each and everything? Who will fulfill their desires? This is the real importance of mother in our life as well as in your life also. But let me tell you something, a sad story. Do you know a person or a baby who just sit or who just sleep beside the road? They're not having their own mother. They are not having their own family. You will get the real importance of your mother on that day in which your mother will die. Yeah, this is the true reality and this is the true truth of this world. You know that when a thing come to this world, he or she has to die from it. Yeah, am I right? If I am right, so please just say yes to it. But wait, let me tell you a sad story. There was a boy who was not having kind of sister, who was also not having his family. He was having only his grandfather. He was living with his grandfather. But do you know, one day his grandfather said to him that you are just sitting idle at your home. You are doing nothing except of job. You are doing nothing. So do you know, whenever the mother comes inside us, whenever the mother just take care of us, we are having a kind of hope or we feel a kind of confidence from the inside, from our inner side, that we can do it. So these are the kinds of rumors that are spread by the people. But yeah, today I am talking about the mother. So yeah, mother is the only thing in this world which will support you. Otherwise, no one is here in this world to support you. Even when you will talk about your father, so yeah, father is also not better even than a mother. It's the true reality of this world. Because when one day your mother will die, most of the fathers are going to marry from the another wife. Yeah, this is the true reality of this world that I am telling you today. Okay, so thanks to all of you for listening to me so patiently and carefully. So thank you and have a good day.
Okay, so that's nice. Ayush has spoken so many things. He has talked about the importance of mother, that what actually she is playing a role in our life. And he has also talked about many things, especially that sometimes where you don't give a value that the things that you have, but you started realizing it when you lost it. So whenever you get a chance to do something and whenever you get a chance to help your parents, just help them. Done. So next we are going to call Astha on the stage. Please put your hands together.
There is someone who wakes up before alarm, who sleep after everyone else. She may not wear a crown, but she is a queen. She is a real queen of every home and she is the queen of our life. She is the queen of every son and every daughter. So good morning, respected sir, senior juniors and all my dear friends. My name is Astha Sharma and today I am stand here to say something about the presence of dead women in my life, which feel very normal, but we forget how extraordinary is she actually is. Yes, I am going to talk about mother or mama. Mama is not just a relationship, but she is a feeling. She is the first touch we feel. She is the first voice we hear, and her hand is first hand that we held from our childhood. Sometimes we are tensionized, then no one can feel it. But if we say, Mama, I am fine, but she only read our face and she asks, is there something wrong? She only understands ourselves. Today I am remembering something When I was tensionized about my exam pressure on some life problem, then everyone was saying me, you are not study well whole year, now why you are tensionized? But my mother didn't say me anything. She only come to me and bought food for me and sat next to me and said, don't worry, सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, मुझे भरोसा है, तुम कर लोगी. On that day I realized my mother cannot solve my all of the problem, but she gives me strength to solve my all problem. And food. No one 5-star restaurant can beat one sentence. माँ के हाथ का खाना. She wakes up early morning, not because she wants to wake up, but because she know very well that whole family, their son, their daughter, their husband, their mom, everyone is depend on that only one woman. Everyone say mother is strong, but no, mother wants to be strong because mother don't have any option. That's why she wants to be strong. Our mother don't have a degree from any higher universities and all, but our mother done PhD on their love and on their sacrifice. When we was child, then we were fall while we are playing. Then we want only mother. We need a mother. And when we are injured, then we see the face of the mother. If our mother is
Okay. Next, we are going to give a chance to Jaya. She told me, sir, you can call me at the last.
Okay, good morning to everyone. Today I am stand here for speak topic about mother. So firstly I said that उनके लिए कुछ भी कहूँ कुछ भी लिखूँ सब कम है. सच तो यही है कि माँ है तो हम हैं. So whatever everyone said, everyone speak very well about mother, but not enough, because vocabulary haven't word for mother. Mother is like a god for us. So today I am talking about mother. So mother is a very precious, very important gift, and even we are a gift for mother. And every relationship made before after the birth, but the relationship with mother, it make before the birth. Even she is protect us before the birth, she is love us, and she is also teach us before the birth. And she is not only mother for me, she is my best friend. Not I'm not said this, she is my best friend, she is literally my best friend. I share each and everything with her, and even if I am in the problem, any problem, so she is always solve that problem. And I share my story, true story. When I was in class 12th, so she suffered for gallbladder stone, and doctor advised her that you should operation, but she didn't operation because she know when if she operation that time, so I'm not study well, and I'm not focus on study, that's why she is not operation, and she's silently tolerated for me, and she expect that I'm get good marks. And in class 12th, sometime I in test, sometime I didn't get good marks, so everyone said that you should get and you should go to hospital and operation, because your daughter is not able to get good marks, and she is not able to get anything. And everyone said. Then if even many time my teacher called to my mother, and she said that your daughter is not study well, so I'm coming home and I'm starting crying. So she said that I'm believing on you, you study and I believe on you. So for God grace I'm get good marks in class 12th, and after that she is operation. But I see many time that see it means not she haven't pain, she have lots of pain, gallbladder stone, she have lots of pain, but she sacrificed for me. And after 1 month of operation, she's also work, because she see that I'm work and I'm get ill, that's why she's again start work and again make food for us. So she's again make food for us. if I success in my life in future, so it's whole credit goes to my mother, because she's only who love without any condition. So I would like to say that you should also you all love your mother, but you give time, and you respect her every time, every situation you love us. Thank you.
Okay, now is there anyone who is remain? Do you want to speak? Okay. So let's give a chance to Mr. Atul.
कोई भी मजबूरी हो माँ का साथ मत छोड़ना, अगर जीवन की जन्नत बनाना चाहते हो तो माँ का दिल मत तोड़ना। थैंक यू।
In a one word and sentences, he has spoken lots of things. Okay, see, some of the topic we have done so many topics, right? About the education, importance of English, many things, many topic we have done. But how these topic comes in my mind? Because in today's era, we are just too much busy with the phone, with our education, and with our work also. Even I have found, I'm so much busy with my own work that for the last 2013 until now, I'm just out of the village, and my parents, they are living there. So before sometimes, before 3 and 4 days, when I have decided for this speech competition and all, so I was just talking to my mother, and she was asking me that when are you about to come? तो जब बहुत दिन हो जाता है तो वो एक बार रहता ना कि it is going to be completed 1 year and also you have to come to village. So I said okay, I will be coming in the summer. अभी तो बैच है, अभी एग्जाम वगैरह का भी है, सभी का एग्जाम है. So I feel something, she is just crying. So I felt, we are a person, we are becoming so much selfishness. हम लोग इतना सेल्फिश हो गए हैं कि हमें सिर्फ अपना प्रोजेक्ट दिखता है, हमें सिर्फ अपना पढ़ाई दिखता है, हमें सिर्फ अपने सब कुछ दिखते हैं. बट हमें अब हमारे पास, हम इतने बड़े हो गए कि हमारे पास अब इतना समय ही नहीं है कि उनके लिए हम समय निकाल पाए, उनको हम समय दे सके. Although they are happy because they want us to do something in our life. वो इसलिए खुश हैं क्योंकि उनको वो चाहते हैं कि हम अपने जीवन में कुछ अच्छा करें. But you must be finding there will be a time, especially for the younger, those who are in the college and all. For the children it's well, but especially for the college students, there will be a time when your parents will be thinking something, they will be thinking to take a help from you, है ना. मतलब लाइफ में कई बार ऐसा आता है कि जब उनको हेल्प चाहिए रहता है आपसे, दे विल बी एक्सपेक्टिंग समथिंग फ्रॉम यू. ऐसे तो एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करते हैं. सो वेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अ काइंड ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी, जब ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले कि अब आपको आपकी जरूरत है आपके पेरेंट्स को, सो टेक दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड हेल्प देम, बिकॉज वी नो दैट वी आर जस्ट ग्रोइंग. अब हम लोग के ईयर्स बढ़ रहे हैं, तो हम लोगों के ईयर्स बढ़ रहे हैं, लेकिन जो पेरेंट्स हैं उनके ईयर कम हो रहे हैं. तो कई बार हम लोग सोचने लगते हैं कि हमें ये जॉब लग जाएगी, हमारे पास बहुत सारे पैसे होंगे, बहुत सारे कुछ होंगे, तब हम जाके अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए कुछ करेंगे. बट ऐसे देखते देखते समय निकल जाता है. आपने सुना होगा बहुत सारे क्रिकेटर्स हैं, बहुत सारे सक्सेसफुल पर्सन हैं, तो उनकी एक ही चीज़ रहती है कि आज हमारे पास जो भी है, अगर हमारे पेरेंट्स होते हैं और वो इन चीज़ों को देखते तो वो बहुत खुश होते हैं. डैट मीन्स मैं उतना कुछ नहीं कर पाया अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए जो मुझे करना चाहिए था, तो एक रिग्रेटनेस रह जाता है, एक रिग्रेट रह जाता है. डन. So whenever you are getting a kind of opportunity to help your parents, you can help them. Even I have decided personally, I will be taking a time for the 15 days, for the 20 months, for the 20 days, in a 6 month and in a years, and I will be spending my time with my mother. Because I know that she is not expecting anything from my side. उनको कोई expectation तो नहीं है, but हाँ एक expectation है कि हम भी उनके साथ समय व्यतीत करें. I just want to give a example. Before 4 and 5 days, so you will be coming to know that how mother is too much emotional about the parents. I shouldn't say that it's too much personal, but I think that this is something that only she is the not who is thinking about that. Even our mothers also think like that. तो अभी हमें एक स्टोरी तो नहीं, रियल है. एंड आई फेल्ट समथिंग ऑन दैट डे. सो बिफोर 4 and 5 days, पीयूष फादर ही वॉज एडमिटेड इन द हॉस्पिटल. तो हम जब हॉस्पिटल में मिलने गए तो एक होता ना कि जैसे एक पेरेंट्स हैं जो ऑलरेडी बहुत बीमार हैं, लेकिन उनको अपने बच्चों की टेंशन कैसे होती है. सो व्हेन आई मेट विद द पीयूष मदर, सी इज ऑलरेडी अ पेशेंट, वो एक पेशेंट है, बट वहां पे ऐसा फील हुआ कि वो उनको उस बात पे केयर, उस बात पे वो सोच रही थी कि पीयूष को कुछ ना हो, कि पीयूष बहुत ज्यादा टेंशन नहीं ले. एंड व्हेन आई कम टू पीयूष, आई टॉक हिम, ही वॉज थिंकिंग दैट ट्राई टू मेक माई मदर अंडरस्टैंड. तो ये कितना कोऑर्डिनेशन है ना, कि एक कोई मदर है जिनको इस बात को टेंशन है कि आप बच्चों को समझाइए कि बच्चों को कुछ ना हो, और एक बच्चे हैं उनको टेंशन ये है कि मम्मा को समझाइए, मम्मा को कुछ ना हो. दिस इज द कंडीशन दैट्स कॉल्ड द ट्रू लव एंड द ट्रू रिलेशन. कि वहां पे सिर्फ एक ही एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि ना तो बच्चों को कुछ हो, ना तो मदर को कुछ हो. बाकी आप जितने भी अपने लाइफ में रिलेशन देखोगे, जितने भी आप देखोगे, सब में कुछ ना कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशन होता है. एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या, कि आज मैं अगर आपके लिए कुछ कर रहा हूं तो आप भी मेरे लिए करेंगे. जैसे हम लोग टीचर हैं तो हम लोग भी पढ़ाते हैं, तो हमारी एक्सपेक्टेशन ये रहती है कि आप अच्छे नंबर लाएं तो हमारा भी नाम होगा, या आपसे हमारा एक्सपेक्टेशन ये रहता है कि हम फीस दे रहे हैं तो सर मुझे प्रॉपर टाइम से पढ़ाए, सब कुछ पढ़ाए. बट दिस इज द रिलेशन वेयर यू विल फाइंडिंग अ ट्रू रिलेशन दैट इज कॉल्ड. So whenever you are getting a chance to do something, to spend some time with them, और आजकल के यूथ में देखते हैं some of the college students and all, उनको लगता है कि आज के जमाने में जो हमारे फ्रेंड बने हैं वो हमारे लिए सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हमारे फैमिली कुछ नहीं करते हैं. बट कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आपके पेरेंट्स अगर आपको किसी चीज के लिए मना करना है, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो चाहते नहीं कि आप ये चीज करो, नहीं, वो इसलिए चाहते हैं, वो बस ये चाहते हैं कि आप अपने लाइफ में एक ऐसा डिसीजन लो कि जिसमें आपको कोई स्ट्रगल ना करना पड़े, आपको कोई चीजें हार्म ना करे आपकी जिंदगी में. दैट इज वाई दे आर डिनाइंग अस. डन. सो इफ दे आर नॉट अलाउइंग यू टू डू समथिंग, जस्ट वी हैव टू गिव अस सिंगल थॉट. एक बार हम लोगों को सोचने की जरूरत है कि नहीं, अगर वो किसी चीज के लिए मना कर रहे हैं तो वो हमारे लिए ही मना कर रहे हैं. डन. सो बाय द वे, व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट द स्पीच एंड ऑल, it was the first time when you were speaking the sentences, just the body was shivering, because I was feeling each and everything. I was just trying to connect these things with my mother, that how she must be feeling from her own side. Done. So now come to the speech competition that we have done it. So for the best line was spoken by, it was a coordination, it was a kind of combination and voice modulation, and everything she has included in her speech. So I would like to call Astha on this stage. By the way, it was nice. So thank you very much for the participating.